Everybody needs a little time away, I heard her say, from each other. Even lovers need a holiday, far away from each other. Oh, now it's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you, I promise to. And after all that's been said and done, you're just the part of me you can't let go. Couldn't stand to be kept away just for the day from your body.